the ghat where they burn the bodies. Manikarnika Ghat, the main ghat for burning bodies for the Hindu rituals right here in Varanasi. You swim right now?
Yes.
You?
I know.
You?
You give money, I swim.
Oh no, that's okay, that's okay. Alright, introduction. So what was happening is we're gonna take a river cruise down the Ganga river so we can see the Ganga river here from the ghat. Good, and our main goal is to get down to a main ghat called the Asi Ghat, which is one of the most famous ghats here in Varanasi. So we met these guys. What are your names anyway?
My name is Shatrunjay, but you can call me Sasha.
Shasha?
Yeah. Aditya.
Aditya?
Yeah.
Shasha and Aditya. So Sasha's coming with us on this tour. And this is our boat driver.
But you can go because he's saying if you two are coming, then you have to pay for yourself also.
Okay.
Yeah. Private boat.
These guys are fighting if Shasha can come with us, but apparently he has to pay more if he wants to come. So we've got a lot of people here in the back. Namaste. Mahadev. Mahadev. So Mahadev is Shiva, yeah? So if you say Shiva, you get good karma. All right. Did you swim in the river? You swimming in the river? No. Oh, no swimming. No, no swimming. Okay. All right. Thank you. I'm pretty sure they just swam because they're all wet. But I don't know what they're talking about. Anyway, there's a goat right here. What's happening here?
So what happened is when it rains,
Yeah.
water level comes up.
Okay.
And then the sand comes.
Oh.
The sand comes.
So
And then it stays there. So they are using the water pressure to clean it.
Oh. How high does the water get?
I don't live here.
Where are you from?
I am from Rajasthan, Pushkar.
Rajasthan. Okay.
Pushkar.
Pushkar. Mother.
Yeah. Mahadev.
Mahadev.
Yeah. Mahadev is Shiva's name.
Mahadev.
Whenever anyone greet in Banaras, they say Mahadev.
Mahadev. Okay, Mahadev.
Instead of saying hello,
Instead of namaste.
yeah, namaste, hello, they say Mahadev.
Mahadev.
Because if you say or chant name of Shiva, it gives you like a karma.
Karma, good
Okay.
karma.
Good karma.
Shiva and the god. Shiva Har Har Mahadev.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shiva on the god.
Yes.
Shiva on the Parvati.
Parvati.
Parvati, take you have marriage.
Parvati and Shiva have marriage. Okay. Oh, brother.
If you need any explanation, I can come with you. I can explain about things.
We're going down to the river now.
Nahi.
All right. Let's go down.
Let's go.
So we're here in our private boat now. 1,500 rupee with these guys. This is the boat where you can pay 100 rupee, but you'll be with everybody else. So we got this boat to ourselves. Let's go.
Sure.
All right, our tour starting right here. The Ghats of Varanasi. What a crazy place this is. The Ghats of Varanasi. Look at that. Each single ghat is after a different god. That's Manikarnika Ghat. And that's the ghats where they burn the bodies. If you want to see the video that we did in that ghat, I'll link it right here. But we're just looking at it from the side now. The boys are right here with us. And that's Lalita Ghat. Very quiet ghat, this one. So Varanasi is actually one of the oldest cities on earth. There's records of it dating back 3,000 years. And it's one of the holiest cities in Hinduism. This is the Ganga right here in the Ganga river. It's a very spiritual river. It's very famous. And everyone here, every Hindu thinks the river's famous. The river's spiritual and holy, but it's very brown. And during times of high tide, the water gets up all the way into the actual town, which is crazy. What's your name? Rajkumar. Satkumar. Rajkumar. Okay. What are you eating? Paan. What is Paan? Paan.
Tobacco masala.
Is that tobacco?
Yeah, masala.
We see Could I see? Pan Masala. So this is tobacco? Oh, okay. Cool. Is it tasty? Oh, sounds good. Looks good. Alright, so Paan is actually eating some tobacco right now. What's your name? What is your name? Okay. What is your name?
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Where are you from? Korean?
Philippines.
Which country you are from?
Philippines. Filipino. Filipino.
Anil.
Anil. Where are you from? Varanasi. Which god? So which god is most famous?
Asiga.
Asi god. That's the number one god. Is that for burning?
Not problem. This is the famous. They have morning ceremony.
In Asi god. Which one is Asi god?
Last one.
Oh, far away. But what about Manikarnika Ghat?
Manikarnika is crematory.
Like burning.
Burning. Crematory here.
And Varanasi is all ghats.
Yes.
Many ghats in Varanasi.
Varanasi 84 guys.
84 ghats. And each ghat is from one king, Maharaja. One Maharaja.
One Maharaja. Every Maharaja king palace. Every god.
Every Maharaja in India is one ghat.
Yes.
So one ghat or one Maharaja is named after one ghat is named after one Maharaja, which means great king in Hindu. Is that correct? And the Ganga is the most holy river in Hinduism. Ganga River. But the Ganga River goes up really high to the
Yes. Now high.
But sometimes
More low water. More low Ganga.
but if high, everything there is covered with water. What happens to the people?
What happened here?
What happened to the people if the water is
No walking.
no walking?
No working. So many problems. Water high time.
Yeah. What?
Varanasi, too many South India.
Many South Indian, like from Tamil Nadu or something.
Tamil Nadu, Kerala.
Yeah. So it's gonna cost us 1,500 rupee for this river cruise for 5 people. And there's not really an online website where you can book it in. You just have to go down to the Ghats and negotiate and talk to the people the good old-fashioned way. So this river is 50.
Now here, 50, 60 feet. Middle is 200 feet.
Did you swim here before?
I'm swimming last river.
Did you swim here?
Yes?
Me?
Yeah.
Not you.
No, I can't swim. I cannot.
Yeah.
When you came here,
Can you swim right now?
Yes?
You-
I know.
you?
You give money, I swim.
Oh no, that's okay. That's okay.
you will feel like this.
This is enough.
You give 100 euro, I swim.
No.
I cross the river.
No, it's okay.
He old man, he also cross.
How old is he?
55.
55. Are you family?
Tried
This is my uncle.
to sit
Uncle.
alone and feel this.
Oh, uncle.
You give 100 euro, his river cross.
No, that's okay. I don't want to do that.
Last year it was.
So every day you work here.
So
Where do you live?
between 3 months.
I live from here.
Like close to the Ghat?
Passed away like
So now we're gonna go back to Manikarnika Ghat and see the burning bodies, burning river again. So we go back. Brother, what's the name of this Ghat?
The suspect, man, God.
That's the main Ghat. For ceremony, ritual. That's why there's a lot of people in this Ghat. This is the main Ghat. A lot of people. There we go, you can see a lot of tourists right now. A lot of people on the riverbanks. And the architecture of the place is just old and it's just ancient. It's an ancient city on the banks of the Ganges River. So right here is the Ghat where they burn the bodies. Manikarnika Ghat, the main Ghat for burning bodies for the Hindu rituals right here in Varanasi. And we're back where we started, back to the Wansale Ghat right here. This is where we started the journey, and now we're back. How was that, boys?
Good. Good experience, huh?
Good experience. Good experience, huh?
Shukriya.
Thank you, sir. Thanks to you, sir.
Welcome. Mahadev.
Mahadev. Mahadev. This
So beautiful.
this one looks so old. How old is this thing, man? This thing is ancient, bro.
Like 500 years, maybe.
500.
Jesus Christ.
I think that's more than 500.
Bonsale Ghat.
Thank you.
What a great experience this was. If you're in Varanasi, doing a river cruise is a must. It's probably better to do it in sunrise, where sunrise is probably the best time to do this, I think.
Sunrise, yeah.
But it is quite early. We didn't
I
wake up
think
enough.
you can't say sunrise or sunset at best. Every time
There's
in
something going
Banaras
on.
is beautiful.
If you come to Busan, let me know.
Every day, every minute, there's something going on in Varanasi. So if you in Varanasi, you have to visit the Ganga River,
Rajasthan?
most spiritual river here in Varanasi. So yeah, we had a great time, brother.
Don't have money like a
See you later.
Sorry, brother.
All right,
That's
time to
why
get
we
off.
need negotiation.
All right, fuck, bro, can you help my hand, bro?
You got this?
All right,
I
there we
got
go.
some same like this ring.
Yeah, I
but-
bought this in Dharavi in Mumbai.
Ah,
Yeah,
I got ring like this, but it has
Yeah,
Trishul.
yeah.
How old
that's
are
Trishul
right.
of Shiva.
This one was 20 rupee, bro.
32. I'm 35.
All right, let me get my. How much was it? 500.
Today, I asked to someone, how old are you? And then they speak, guess me, and then
I got my money.
5%, 3%. I guess about
There we
how
go,
old
sir.
Everyone
Thank you.
correct.
Can you mind?
Bye.
Brother, thank you.
Brother.
They were very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank
They
you.
they were very nice, actually. They
Nice
gave me a lot of
business there.
information.
Yeah.
Very nice. See you later, guys.
Bye-bye.
And that concludes our video.
Thanks for the
If you're
good
here, you have to do a
negotiation,
you have to
brother.
do a not sunrise, not sunrise to sunset. We did this in the middle of the day, but you got to do it. It's very beautiful. Right here in the Ganga River. Very good experience.